So I just got done building these weaves out of sycamore and walnut. This one here is a sycamore, and then I have a walnut one over there, some smaller walnuts. That's sycamore and walnut together. So these are my weaves. I still have to sand them down and clean them. And I realized as I was finishing these up and putting my stuff away that I have a few more left that I apparently forgot when I was building those. So what I think I'm going to do is I am going to show how I built these weaves with no breaks using the Panther router.